My name is Suleiman Enchupra. I'm the assemblyman of the Shwidiem Township. And what happened is that this our school, this JSS, it was not at this present site. It was formerly about 3 kilometers away. So the community decided to move it down to this present position. Because you see, the place where it was too far away from the town. So a time came that the school was collapsing. If I can say that it collapsed. And now we move it down with the help of ICI and Hope for Humanity. So now, with a little help from our sponsors and the community initiative, we have been able to start the school to this present level. But presently, the problem we are facing is teachers. We couldn't have the teachers. So about 3 months ago, the school nearly collapsed. Because the teachers, you see, the government couldn't bring us the teachers. So the community mobilized the teachers to pay them themselves. But since we haven't got enough money to pay the teachers, they left. Then later on, we called them again to come, and we made some various promises that if they came, we shall try to pay them. But up to now, no teacher has got a salary for the past 3 months. It's a great calamity facing our teachers. And if the teachers go, the school too will collapse. There was a time when there were no teachers at all. So I had to leave the job I was doing in the town. And I came to help with the teaching. So I held the fort for a very, very long, for 1 year. These children who go to the farm, go and help their parents in the farm. They will stop the schooling. And another thing, to some of them who will not stop the schooling, they will try to go to Kushia, which is about, as I've said before, about 25 minutes away. And the road is very dangerous. There's a river, which is very, very dangerous to cross, especially during the rainy season. So it's a problem we are facing at Shwidiem. But with the help of God, I think we shall overcome.
En mars 2007, la communauté de Shwidiem a rassemblé 99 000 cedis, soit $100 000, afin de venir en aide à ses enseignants. En avril, un instituteur qualifié a été nommé à l'école primaire de Shwidiem par les services ghanéens locaux en charge de l'éducation en réponse aux besoins de la communauté. Au niveau du collège, il y a désormais 3 professeurs. L'un est un fonctionnaire rémunéré par l'État, un autre a été engagé dans le cadre du programme gouvernemental promouvant l'emploi chez les jeunes, mais le dernier reste bénévole. Il faut absolument mettre un terme à la pénurie d'enseignants dans les écoles rurales si l'on veut lutter efficacement contre le travail des enfants dans le secteur du cacao. Et le problème n'est d'ailleurs pas propre au Ghana, il se pose dans de nombreux pays en développement. Le gouvernement ghanéen s'est saisi du problème et enregistre des progrès en la matière, comme le montre le cas que nous venons de voir. International Cocoa Initiative, ICI, qui est le fruit d'un partenariat entre des syndicats, des organisations non gouvernementales et les principaux transformateurs de cacao et fabricants de chocolat, s'attache à appuyer tant les efforts des communautés que les mesures gouvernementales afin de lutter contre le travail des enfants dans le secteur du cacao. ICI, recherchant des solutions pérennes, la capacité des communautés à faire valoir les besoins qui sont les leurs est cruciale pour le processus de développement mis en place. Les partenaires locaux d'ICI mesurent les progrès accomplis et lorsque cela est nécessaire, offrent leur aide afin de garantir que les avancées conquises de haute lutte puissent s'inscrire dans la durée.